Showers still flaring up across parts of the Upper Valley, but probably about another 2.5 hours and they'll be fading away or moving into Mexico. So just not much out there this afternoon. We have had a few brief downpours, but not a lot of widespread rain. You see right now the lower valley, Cameron and Wolsey County, pretty much dry. This is the last 3 hours of radar. So focusing a little bit in the Upper Valley. Showers have popped up again kind of right about there over the last hour in southwest Hidalgo County, near and west of Edinburg and McAllen now, moving off to the west into Starr County, and a few showers still in Starr County in the rural areas between about La Casita and Remolino up toward San Isidro and La Gloria. So little showers are out there. If we zoom in a little bit more, you can see the rain. Here it is on the north end of Mission, right over Alton right now. Pretty decent shower. I mean, this is rain that's coming down maybe kind of hard for 10 or 15 minutes and then it moves away. So rain's kind of hard on you briefly, but not enough to really give you a lot of rain, just maybe about 1/4 of an inch or so. Temperatures are running mostly in the 80s, still 92 at the airport north of Edinburg, where it hasn't, I guess, rained on the sensor there. 94 in Rio Grande City. Most places have cooled back into the 80s. No record heat today, and probably going to stay in about this range the next couple days with kind of the afternoon in the 80s to near 90 degrees. Football weather this evening looks dry, should be dry. I guess you could say maybe a few wet seats still left over in the Upper Valley if it has rain there, but temperatures by 7:30 running mostly in the low to mid 80s and kind of slowly falling through the evening with what should be a partly cloudy sky for the most part, and then light winds mainly from the east and southeast. Now highs tomorrow back up close to 90 or slightly higher in Starr County, about 90 in San Isidro, 91 in Rio Grande City, mostly upper 80s to near 90 in Hidalgo County, and the chances of showers are small tomorrow. I mean, there might be a little rain just briefly in spots, but probably 80 or 90% of the area staying dry all day. In lower valley locations, mostly in the 80s tomorrow, with still a fairly humid air mass over us. There's not a big drop in humidity coming anytime soon, even though there's a weak cold front trying to come in. So we'll show you that in a second. But satellite radar shows just little scattered areas of showers across most of South Texas and the valley. Some of the bigger, heavier rain staying to the north or to the south. So in between, just not a lot of widespread rain, but you can see some rain in North Texas right now. There is a front up there. We show you on Future Track. There's a front moving south of the hill country this evening, getting weaker and weaker as it gets closer and closer to us. So by tomorrow, the front's still north of the valley. Close enough, though, it could spark a couple of small showers around, but weak enough that it won't be very much rain. And then by Friday night, there's 9 p.m. the front on top of the valley, but not one that you really notice. It will kind of just fizzle out Friday night and Saturday. So you may feel the winds kick around a little bit more toward the east and northeast, but not like a gusty wind or anything like that. And then through the weekend, still enough moisture hangs around. You can't really rule out showers, but most of the time and nearly everywhere should stay dry on Saturday with very small rain chances. They might come up a little bit higher on Sunday as another area of disturbed weather tries to come into West Texas. So shower chances come up slightly higher by Sunday. So we're saying about 20% chance of rain tomorrow, probably down to about 10 on Saturday and maybe as high as 30 on Sunday. First 157-day forecast. Set your clocks back an hour Saturday night and Sunday morning, but highs mostly in the 80s this weekend with small chances of mainly a daytime shower. By Monday, the shower chances could start to increase a little bit, and then Tuesday, Election Day, don't think it's going to be rainy all day or anything like that, but there could be a few more showers popping up and maybe even a thunderstorm or two somewhere in South Texas or the valley, as rain chances may climb to about 50% by next Wednesday and Thursday. So we do have the chance for some bigger rain, but not until really next week, either by Tuesday, Wednesday, or Thursday. So we'll keep tracking it ahead in your first 1-5 forecast. Carrie?